Question number 24. If f is a function from the set of real numbers to the set of real numbers defined by f of x equal to 2x squared minus 1, we have to find the pre-image of 17. f of x ங்கிறது image, x ங்கிறது pre-image. இப்போ இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் pre-image x கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். f of x 17 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ f of x க்கு பதிலாக 17 போடுறோம். அதுலேருந்து x னுடைய வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 17 equal to 2x squared minus 1 because 17 is the image, x is the pre-image. 17 plus 1 equal to 2x squared, 18 equal to 2x squared, x squared equal to 9. So x equal to root 9, that is plus or minus 3, which is also a real number. Hence pre-image of 17 is plus or minus 3. Question number 25. If f is a function from the set of real numbers to the set of real numbers defined by f of x equal to 2x squared minus 1, show that the pre-image of minus 2 does not exist. Now f of x is 2x squared minus 1. We have to find the pre-image of minus 2. So f of x equal to minus 2, we have to find the value of x. Minus 2 equal to 2x squared minus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 equal to 2x squared. That is x squared equal to minus 1 by 2. That is x equal to plus or minus root minus 1 by 2. Now root உள்ள minus number இருக்கு. அது imaginary number, real number இல்லை. So this plus or minus root minus 1 by 2 does not belong to the set of real numbers. That means what? Pre-image of minus 2 does not exist. So question number 26. Given the relation set of all xy such that x comma y belong to the set of integers and x square plus y squared equal to 64. Find its domain and range. So what are the integers x comma y which satisfy this x square plus y squared equal to 64? The values that will satisfy x square plus y squared equal to 64 in the set of integers are 0, 8, 8, 0, 0, minus 8, minus 8, 0. So the domain is minus 8, 0, 8. The range is minus 8, 0, 8. We have to find those integers which satisfy the condition x square plus y squared equal to 64. The relation is 0, 8 because 0 square plus 8 square equal to 64. 8 square plus 0 square is also 64. 0 square minus 8 square is 64. Minus 8 square plus 0 square is also 64. So these are the ordered pairs of the relation. What is the domain? Domain is minus 8, 0, 8. 0, 8, 0, minus 8. That means minus 8, 0, 8. Then range is 8, 0, minus 8, 0. That is minus 8, 0, 8. Question number 27. If g dot f is 1, 1 function, then show that f is 1, 1 function. Is compositional function g dot f. If it is 1 to 1, then f must be 1, 1. 1 to 1 or 1, 1. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have to prove that f is 1, 1. So we take f of x1 equal to f of x2. We will try to show that x1 equal to x2. So that f will become a 1, 1 function. Now it is given g dot f is 1, 1. So g dot f of x1, let us calculate that. That is g of f of x1. By assumption f of x1 equal to f of x2. So instead of f of x1, we can write f of x2. G of f of x2 is nothing but g dot f of x2. So g dot f of x1 equal to g dot f of x2. We assumed f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have shown g dot f of x1 is g dot f of x2. but g dot f is 1 1 function. So therefore x1 must be equal to x2. Let me repeat. Given g dot f is 1 1 function, we have to show f is 1 1. Since we have to show f is 1 1, we take two elements x1 x2 such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. We will try to show x1 equal to x2. Let us start. G dot f of x1 is g of f of x1. By assumption, f of x1 equal to f of x2. So this is g of f of x2. That is g dot f of x2. But what is g dot f? It is 1 1 function. So g dot f of x1 equal to g dot f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So we have shown if f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. Question number 28. If f is a function from the non-zero set of real numbers to the set of non-zero real numbers defined by f of x equal to 1 by x, show that f is a bijection. That is, f is a 1 1 onto function. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2, where x1 x2 are non-zero real numbers. What is by definition f of x1? F of x is 1 by x. So f of x1 is 1 by x1. F of x2 is 1 by x2. That means x1 equal to x2. That is f is 1 1. What is the range of f? Range of f is set of all non-zero real numbers. Therefore f is onto. That implies f is a bijection. Question number 29. If f of x equal to x square is a function defined on the set of real numbers, find whether f is 1 1. F of x1 equal to f of x2 we assume, where x1 x2 are real numbers. That means x1 squared equal to x2 squared. But 2 is an even number, that x1 x2 may be positive or negative. So x1 squared equal to x2 squared does not necessarily imply x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is not 1 1.